Guess what I got? Oh, what's that? Oh, what's this? Is that one more? Princess?
Are those surprise eggs?
Yeah, he's shaking.
You're so excited.
Watch this. See this? See the small one? How big that thing is.
Wow. Molly's surprise egg.
Look how big. Oh, yeah.
Open.
Open.
Say please.
Yeah. Boom. One more.
Oh my God, Christopher.
Look at that. Here you go, Mom. We got some candy.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
But look.
Cool.
What do you think? Wash it?
Yeah. Want to open another one?
She's like, forget the sticker. I don't care about the sticker.
She wants the candy. How the hell do they open these in those videos so easily?
She got it open.
She got the candy open?
She got the candy
Here, Molly,
open.
you have another egg.
She got that candy open quick. Go ahead, open it. Open it.
The other one she
Open it.
opened so
Oh.
easy.
Open it. Open it.
Want me to help you? Open? Daddy, open.
Look at that.
Cool.
Ooh.
Cool. More stickers?
Sticker. Don't throw it away.
Use it
Sticker.
for her potty shop. What kind of stickers? Princess
No,
stickers.
don't open that one. She opened twice the 2 candies already.
She's excited. You opened that one already, baby. Open
Yeah.
this one.
Try the candy.
Is it sweet toss? Or...
I don't know. Here, you try it.
Oh, it tastes like medicine.
Does it?
It tastes like cough syrup.
She's chewing that.
You gotta open your Olaf one now.
Mommy got it. Look.
Here you go. Here you go. You want to open this one? Oh. What did you get in that one? More stickers? Frozen. Oh, you got double. 2 came in that.
No, just one.
Or, oh, no, I'm wrong.
Not yet.
One more, Molly.
I can't get rid of the candy. The candy is hard as rock.
I know, don't give her any more.
You're gonna be eating it.
Just put it somewhere for now.
Open it.
Oh, that one's lollipops.
Open it.
Oh, you got it. Go ahead.
Open it. Open. Open. Go ahead. Yeah.
Just trying to
That's the right way. Go ahead. Crack it on the floor. Again. Oh, of course, the
Is it taped?
Hold on. No, it's tape all the way. Why would they even tape this stuff? What's
Wow. Lots of candy.
Cheese.
that? Not cheese.
Maybe the Easter Bunny will bring you some more of those, Molly.
No, you can't eat that because you don't know how to lick. You just like to bite. You can have these. The lollipop daddy's gonna have to take.
Molly, did you say thank you to Daddy? Can you give Daddy a hug?
Yeah.
Molly,
Hug? Give me a hug.
give Daddy a hug.
Give me a hug.
Ah, thank you,
Give
Daddy.
me a kiss. Kiss.
Give kisses.
Mwah.
Good girl.
Go ahead.
What are those? Jelly beans?
Jelly beans.
Yummy.
That you can eat. The hard candy.
They're not Bean Boozled.
Yeah. Is it hard?
She's gonna stuff them all in her mouth.
One at a time, Molly. One at a time. I think it's hard.
Mm.
If it is,
She's so happy.
another hard candy.
Molly, what's that? Sticker?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Tiana.
Princess.
Okay, thank you for our surprise eggs, Daddy.
Shut.
Molly's first peep.
Spit. No. Swallowed it instead. Mmm. Is it good? Is it good? Mmm. Yummy.
think she likes it?
Yes, she does.
What are you doing?
It's so good, right? Yeah, bunny. Mmm. You're not gonna go to sleep. Mmm. At least I know she likes marshmallow.
Oh, maybe we should give her peanut butter and fluff since she doesn't like jelly.
Yummy.
Delicious. Give Daddy a bite.
Mmm.